Hausi Pabugi Maro Eva Pauda, Eva Paba Hiba Katana, Education Nate, Miamda Pawakal Pibangamba Aduna, Education Haina, Manipuri Governor Dr. Nazma Hatulana Pondokre. Kurumjare, ISTV Manipuri Pau Miang Tabi Singmataram Noxari, Hausi Pau Sandong Pizare. Eva Paba Hiba Katana, Education Nate, Miamda Pawakal Pibangamba Aduna, Education Haina, Manipuri Governor Dr. Nazma Hatulana, Ngase, Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipurgi, Silver Jubilee Githoramda, Pondokre. Palace Compound the Leba, Manipur State Film Development Society Auditorium, the Pangtokiba Thoramadida, Mang Makatana Fongdokibada, Sokotpa, Mang Taba, Barat Nama Ohenaba Hotnabada, Mahi Masing Tambagi Lamda, Henba Fantadaba, Darkar Oi. Lamda Masa Kundariba, Tongan Bakang Group Singi, Masagi Oba Ladiba, Nat Amadi Chanabi Singasi, Hena Sakot and Nabo Hotnabada, Education as a Wotodang Lobugi, Tangai Fadabale. Bharatasi Art and Culture Gilamda Maruina, Manipurasi Todok Hendokba, Lokshingyan Laiba Lamda Mama Oibana, Traditional Art and Craft Kimatanga, Horolibam Mahirui Singda, Education Sarok Amoina Takpi Tambirabadi, Mahirui Singi Tungi Punsida, Hingnabagilambi Amatibada, Aso Mateng Oigani. Amaramda, Bharati Tongan Mamapam Singda Mahitam Liba, Lamdam Asiki Mahirui Singa Tengari Kudong Zadaba Singasi, Kohnanaba, Maki Maikadagi, Marilena Singda, Kangangani Haike.
How many institutions we have, how many colleges we have, how many factories we have, but the quality of mind behind all those institutions. Because if we have that quality of mind, then only we will be able to progress further. And still it is true that we have to develop a quality of mind, a well-thinking mind, an understanding mind, a mind which looks around their surrounding and see what can be done and what is more needed to be done. That quality of mind is needed. It is true now, after 75 years, what he said at that time in 1988.
Ngasigi Thoramadu Sarayakiba, Education Minister T.H. Rajesh Yana Fongdokibada, Mahirui Singi Oinadi, Class 11 Amadi 12 Hibasi Yamna, Crucial Eva Tak Amani, Maramatana, Council Namakobu Yang Sinna Honabada, Asowotodang, Logodabani. Mahi Tambada, Knowledge, Skill, Understanding Hiba Posakasi, Mahirui Singi Oinadi, Yam Namaru Oi. Mahirui Singna, How Krabamatam, Hausi Oiva Pibam Amadi, Tunga Lakadaba, Marilenaba, Ishu Sing Kangna, Lyric Tamduna, Mahi Tambagi Marueva Pandam, Oigadabani Haiki.
We are focusing concentrating only on getting jobs, looking employment. We are talking about employment market, but education is more than, employment is a very, very, very negligible part of education. What is education? It is a quality, holistic approach, preparing a person to lead a meaningful life and also let others to lead a meaningful life.
Ngasigi Thoramada, Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipurgi Chairman L. Mahendra Singh Amade, Council Secretary Dr. Maisnam Vidyasagarna, Mariba Miyoshin Oina Sarugyaki. Thoranga Mailena Athiba Bitunglen Singna, Council of Higher Secondary Education Gi, Sahigi Report Amade, Souvenir Amasu Fogki. Mipung Kudimak line of Sembirakpada, Tokaiba Gun Chelakmangakani, Disabled Singda, Lotuna Leriba Gun Fudo Hanaba, Social Welfare Department, Lieutenant Honari Haina, Social Welfare Minister Namchaki Gana Fongdokre. Wapamasi, Tagal Patriba, Government, Deaf and Mute School Gi, Kunshahum Disuba, Mopokumon Thoramda, Mang Fongdokibane. Thoramadida, State Commissioner for Persons with Disability Manipur, Dr. R.K. Kumarjit Amade, Social Welfare Department ki Joint Director Surender A. Sisaksu Saryaki. Tharongi Sarok Amoina Handaki ISSLC Parikyada Pass Torokraba Mahirui Singda Manamatun Piduna Pungin Tokatke. Jago Isagi Thoram Kyasu Bangfoki. Surender A. Sisakna, Department Akanman Yang Tamdun Honabadagi, Blind School Amadi, Deaf and Mute School Gi Fibam Pagahan Mangamle Haike. Minister Namsa Kibgen Makatana, Disabled Singi Fanaba, Government Akan Matabak Paikali, Makogi Sakot Taurang Amasung, or a passing men Kanaba, Persons with Disability Act Pass Toguna, Janaba Hore. Lady Ba or passing Department Ki Officer Sing Tanaduna Menkanaba Honagani. Matok Tarabadi State Cabinet Putotuna, Ayabalogani, Heidi.
you are gifted with extraordinary skill and talent. Come forward and exemplify your hidden talents to all so that your talent would be recognized by all. Today I am indeed very happy to learn that the teachers of the government deaf and mute school have been imparting many valuable lessons apart from the academic syllabus with an indomitable, sacrificing spirit so that the student can boost their self-confidence, which will lead them to become a perfect citizen.
Measles Rubella vaccination campaign ki workshop pangthokpaga na trainer singi training program ama ngasi toina abortion tawdagi polakpa pandamda measles Rubella vaccination campaign lagliba February Senduna Vigilance Awareness Week pangthokpaga loinena ngasi Directorate asigi staff singna Corruption Free India gi wasak lokre Director P Jona Kamaina staff sing adu wasak loki kaigidamak wasak lobagi thoram pangthoklibano haibagi matangda director na wafam kaya phongdorakle
bu directorate ki oina de ekoina activities integrity pledge lobaga in addition activity ani ama ekoi arrangement tawi amana signature campaign amana poster display ama hariba activities mayam se khoi pangthokani adu hobjiki oina de khoi ne integrity pledge se mayam se koraga hojik drama thoida lobuni magi objective ti corruption free India my vision corruption free India haibigi theme da tobuni corruption se yaringke individual ki side te gisu organization ki side te gisu fight toba eradicate toba haibatare eradicate toba ngamningai gi awareness ama spread toraga mayam gi contribution se toraga eradicate toba ngamningai gi tose haibigi pandamdani
ngasi cycle block level kutna sinduna cycle headquarter daleba block ground da pangtokani haina toromba miskut adu nong singi pibam phatabana lagliba November gi tang marida oina mafam adumakta da pangtoklagani haire ngasi pangtokani haina toromba miskut asi ISTV network na live telecast tawduna miyamda uhangani haina mangjongna khangan khrabani lagliba November gi tang marida pangtokadaba miskut asi ISTV na live telecast sanokani haire hauji pawgi marthana tenma brematang lozare
Hachangi labor solatpadagi producing attaba hachang choktarba tumba chaba yaraktaba khong hama nungarataba singidamak amatta nairaba upaidi jolib syrup amasu jolib capsule bu changin sinabio
Manipur miyang nungairaba pau Sky Hospital Porompata Chase Medicine amasung Cardiology gi OPD kudong saba leisere ahenba kudong saba galwena Ops and Gynae amasung ENT gi OPD kudong saba su leisere akupa marol gi damak makhada pisariba phone number natragana reception da tana biduna hana book toption biho
Cab service in Manipur. Lamjingba Cab service. Please download Lamjingba Cab app. 5% special discount for app users. Download now. Download Tobio. Lamjingba Cab app. Lamjingba Cab service na Manipur da finest and smoothest cab service pizari. Lamjingba Cab app service users in the 5% discount to pizari.
Break mutung da taram na moksari makata pauda. Miyam gi mateng galone na nongmai chungda sakhiba sanamahi kiong hayeng sanga gani haina tawrambadu nongna lambi semana maram oiduna miyam na chathok chasin tawbada kudong sari daba pibam da lakpadage matam khara yethokle haina lining thau sanamahi thogal kangluk ki publicity secretary Laishram Poirei Tona ngasi Manipur Press Club ta pangthokpa pangmising unabada phongdokre Foundation for University of Lining Thau sanamahi culture gi thopuba singyang na pangthokba pangmising unabadu Laishram Poirei Tona makhata na haikibada Sanjan Bamdagi Sanamahi Kiong Sariba Mapam Pawagi Lambi Asi Matam Kyagi Mamangdagi Sarkarda Sembiu Haibada Semdana Lakpadagi Handakta Semba Horakpa Matam Asida Nong Tusilak Pasna Lambi Vimasi Satok Tasin Tawada Kudong Sadre मियाम की खलगा सनामही कियों संगाबगे थौरमसे मतम खरा येथोकपनि हाइखे
लेबाक ओइना सीजन बिरुबसिदगिनी नोंग चुसलकपसिदा हुजि लंबी लैखोम थोए फुट अनी अहुम हेन पुथब मफम यावरे ngaraangdagidi aduna masigi khudong chaba si lakpachigi dabukta aikoina sarkar da khoi yam penjadabje khoi thamjabani sarkar sina khoi kitang ganna sembiramba targadi hairiba se yamna nungaina khoi pangthokchadana leibak pungjaw thina yam nungaiba khoi mangjarakpa ahalaman singa sina lamdam sigi lainingi oiba achobo wakhalona si yam mapung phada pangthokcharamgadamni haujikti mase khudong chadabsi leibadigi khoi tangai phadana yeithoe
ngasi government college kudmanga gi students union singi mikhal pangthokre ngasi yupung mapandagi numilongba pung 12 phawba bothadana ki mikhal manungda pamdo thodok amata thokide Josampur police na miyoi ama kapayariba maru manga galunena 9mm pistol amaga konana Josampur dalaiba Vengnam New Lamka dalaiba masagi memdagi fare farba mi ajudi ke ginjaliang kawi Josampur police na case sama lakhatkre Sarkiba tang kunipan hongna Manipur gi mafam ayambada leptana nong turakpana maram ojina miyamda saungna kudong sadaba mayong nahalle maru oina longmi sing ningba kainare low lokadabagi ngaiduna leriba lofam kaya ising thumjilakpa yawre handak sahi asida mari mangarak ising sawkraba matungda longmi singna wana honaduna low lokpa yarnabagi matam yaroklaba asida nongna muk nong tasilakpa asina phau lokpa yararoidra haina mipaiba poknare Amaramda ising isaw ki awaba mayong naba loikipata ngairingida amuk hana ising isaw ki awaba mayong nagadra haina miyoy kaya pakat pafongnare October ki tang 16 ki Guwahati ki Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium da satharakiba Asian Combat Games inglisini taratareta Jit Kundo masanada KG Kuntra ki kanglukta Arubam Tennisana gold medal lawkre ma uripok laiba Arubam Bimol Maitei amadi Arubam Ongbi Ganita Devi ki masanupani Mark Hauzik Heritage Convent School da class 7 tamliba mahiroini Mark masana asida mamangdasu national ki thakta gold medal lorokraba sanaroini Hauzik loisalakpada mariba paw amahna pizari Iba paba hiba khaktana education natte miyamda phawakal piba ngamba duna education ni haina Manipur gi governor Dr. Nazma Hatulana phongdokre Hauzik fawbi na di SCB ni pizari ba Manipur paw matang saroi jare midang waram pung manga taw matam da helba paw singurena ISTV News Live phongdini